In John chapter 5, Jesus heals a man at the pool Bethesda. What does Bethesda mean except house of mercy? Beth Chesed, house of covenant faithfulness, house of love, house of compassion. And yet some might infer that those who need compassion, those who require love, those invalids who all gathered around the pool, well, which one sinned? This one or another, that God is punishing them because of their unrighteousness. With all the miracles of Jesus, He removes the shame. He takes away the guilt. Not only does He restore an individual to proper place, but He goes above and beyond what that person had lost. And so also He offers for you. Just like He offered the man with the ailment at Bethesda, He offers to you a better place than we lost in Adam. Sonship with Him, not only as a created individual, but as reigning with the sinless Son of God. You're listening to Oratio, part of your morning drive for the soul, here on Worldwide KFUO. Christ for you, anytime, anywhere.